Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, lovely kids of Talimul Islam. Good morning, have a nice day. Welcome in one class. Let's start about subject science. Take out your science book. Now, open page number 1. Unit number 1, My Amazing Body. Today we learn about amazing body. We learn different parts of body. As you know, some parts of body like ear, nose, leg, foot, etc. Now you look at yourself and we revised some parts of body. We learn and write on notebook some dictation words like M-A-N-Y, many, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different, many, different, P-A-R-T-S, parts, P-A-R-T-S, parts, S-O-M-E, some. You will learn these dictation words and also write on your notebook. Now open your science notebook. First of all, draw a margin line. Mention date and day, then write HW, homework, then write unit number 1, U1, then write topic, dictation, and write these words. This is your home task. Do it neat and clean and send me picture of this work.